Why are so many people trading gold right now? And how does the Russian invasion of Ukraine affect us as Forex traders? Let's get into that and more right now. Hey there Forex traders, Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 447. So lots to get through on this session. I want to talk about gold. Why are so many people trading gold right now? Also want to cover the amazing story I was told yesterday by one of our coaching clients who has just made 8% gain in the last 2 days trading on a $100,000 prop firm account. And also want to discuss with you how we put out on our membership site 10 trades yesterday, all 10 hit profit. I also took 3 trades on our live webinar yesterday and 2 out of 3 also hit profit. So having some really good success there with our trades. So elsewhere in the world, what's happening? Well, over the last 24 hours, Russia has now invaded into Ukraine. Obviously going to cause a lot of turmoil, a lot of issues politically. It's going to put up oil prices. It's not going to help us with inflation. The US-Russian ruble has moved more today in 24 hours than it's moved in the entire last 12 months. So great volatility out there. Which as traders actually provides us with some good trading opportunities. Now, you've got to be careful that you don't want to be seen that, a war's starting and you're taking advantage of it, but the wars do move things and the market is now moving. So as traders and as technical traders, we're not so much interested in what the fundamentals are behind the scenes. It's more what's happening on the charts and trading those opportunities. And we're certainly seeing that come into the market right now. Now, obviously with war, there becomes fear and anxiety and uncertainty. We've been through 2 years of this with COVID. Most of the world, thankfully, is now getting on with life. Here in New Zealand, unfortunately, we're still stuck in the fear of the COVID situation and government control and everything else that's going on. So it doesn't matter where you are in the world, there's this uncertainty and that fear. Now, oil prices, like I said, have gone up. Shipping costs have gone up. Inflation's going up. Everything's going up, becoming more and more expensive. Mortgage rates are going up, etc. And I was talking to Ben Clay over at Blueberry Markets earlier in the week, and he said to me a very high proportion of their trading right now that they're seeing at Blueberry Markets is on gold. And it got me thinking of, this was prior to the Russian invasion, and it's like, why is that? Well, clearly, people are wanting to, to future-proof themselves, to stockpile, the precious metals and golds and silvers, etc., like that. And you can see why, because of fear and anxiety and uncertainty, etc., around the world. And something like gold or silver is something, that has value and will always have value. And you can see what people are doing. There's uncertainty in the banks. I've just been on a webinar with some traders over in Canada. And they've said that the Canadian government are now starting to freeze accounts of people who have supported the trucking protests. So the uncertainty there of is your money really secure with traditional banks? And so people are now getting back into buying gold. And one of the great things with Blueberry is that you can trade gold, silver, lots of other sort of metals, commodities, etc. And on their MT5 platform, they've got a massive array of different markets that you can trade, including lots of cryptos, etc. as well. The other advantage that you have when you trade MT5 with Blueberry, as opposed to MT4, is that you have the ability to easily swap between lots more time frame charts. Now, yesterday on our membership site, we didn't have any daily chart trades. The daily charts have been quite flat this week, not lots there. But we took 6 crypto sell trades yesterday based on the 8-hour charts. We also posted 2 Forex pairs on the 8-hour charts and 2 Forex pairs on the 12-hour charts. All 10 of them hit their profit target. And the beauty, if you go through someone like Blueberry, you're on MT5, is that you can have those different markets, those different time frame charts, and see them very easily to be able to take advantage of them. Now, the other thing, if you trade through the Forex platforms like with Blueberry Markets is that when it comes to the commodities and the cryptos and the golds, the silvers, etc., is that you don't have to just buy them. You know, you're not actually out there needing to spend $1,900 on an ounce of gold, hoping that it's going up, because you can buy metals or anything with leverage, and likewise you can sell them. And it's not like, say, Bitcoin, that you can't sell Bitcoin until you own Bitcoin, and then you need to spend, you know, $30,000–40,000 for Bitcoin. The great thing of trading it on the Forex markets is if it looks like it's dropping down, like we had Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, we had Ethereum, Stellar, Litecoin yesterday, selling them. You don't have to own them first to sell them through the Forex market, and that's another beauty of it. So what I'll do on this video and podcast, I'll put a link to Blueberry Markets. You can go and check them out and have a look at their platforms, MT4 and MT5. And I'll also put a link to our video course page where you can find out exactly how we trade and exactly how we help other people around the world. We've got clients in 99 countries right now. We're looking for that 100th country to come on board with us and give us the 100 countries for clients around the world. So look, looking after yourself, future-proofing yourself is basically what a lot of us are looking at doing right now. And with all the uncertainty, whether it be governments, whether it be COVID, whether it be war, whether it be inflation, whatever it might be, learning how to trade properly is one of the things that you can continue to do to future-proof yourself. As mentioned a few weeks ago with inflation, unless your salary has gone up by, you know, sort of 4, 5, 6, 7%, depending on where you are in the world in the last year, you've effectively gone backwards. And something like trading can certainly help future-proof that. Exactly like I mentioned at the beginning, our client over in Hong Kong, who's just made an 8% gain on a $100,000 prop firm account in the last 2 days, he's on a 70-30 profit share. So he's just gone and made $5,600 for himself in the last 2 days, and the prop firm money's not even his money. So it shows the amazing opportunities out there once you know what you're doing. So I hope that helps, and I'll see you this time next week. This is Andrew Mitchem here at the Forex Trading Coach. Bye for now.